So I bought two Makita batteries, 5 amp hours, together with this battery adapter with two USB connections. Okay. So the plan is to take this generic USB extension cable, cut it, and then combine this end with this old tom-tom cable and connect it up to this as well to make a universal USB connection. So I can plug this into here. At the other end I'll have this connector, and at the end will be my battery adapter. That's the plan. Let's get soldering. These two are part of the same original cable, but it's very thin. This one's gonna have half an amp, but this one, the other end of the same cable, will have double the current running through it. So we'll see. Just paying attention to the orientation of the connectors, just to avoid some twisting of the cables. It's not at all pretty. So that should be enough layers to insulate. Those are shrink wraps, 2 per wire. Soldering. Leaving the first one off just to make sure I have the correct colors. Would be stupid to have it backwards. So red on red. Let's choose a straight piece, about this long. Should fit comfortably inside of this one. Well, it's not going to fit inside this one, so try the next one. Of course I should have tested it. doesn't seem to be short. Seems to be in order. This looks really horrible. Maybe redo this one. That's really terrible. This one came out okay. Might be usable. This is the battery compartment, and this is the original battery. That's not only a tight fit, that won't fit at all. Into the camera. As you can see, it only goes in so far. I don't feel like cleaning this one up, so already printing a new one. Hopefully that fits. We'll see. So I created a lot of different versions, all of which don't fit. They're either too tight or not printed clean enough. This one is particularly bad, won't fit at all. But it won't actually fit, it's far too tight. Then I tried this one. This entire wall here was too thin, broke away, so no good. This was an early test print, also no good. And finally this one seems okay. But this fits in right here. Click. Let's solder this one up. This left one is the plus and the outer one is the minus. So this inner part goes in like this. So this will be the orientation. This is going to be fiddly. Well, somehow I did the first one. That's a miracle. All the leftovers from soldering into the trash. Bye bye. Let's measure. Hook it up. Plus to the plus, minus to the minus. 5 volts. Let's insulate it some more. Very nice. Let's cut it off around here. Let's shrink it down some. It's a tight fit, but it does fit. Let's put it in the camera. Let's take the original battery out. Let's hope this camera can stand 5 volts. battery compartment lid won't close it entirely, but it's not really an issue. Let's see if you can create some sparks. Moment of truth. Switch it on. It does turn on. Seems to work. It doesn't show me the status of the battery, which is not really a problem, as these Makita batteries have their own status indicators. I should be able to run for hours now on one charge. If this one runs flat, there's a second one. So I've been filming for hours the past week. I'm still on my first charge and it doesn't even register on this status display. Power enough. I'm very satisfied up to this point. Only thing left to do now is come up with a better way of suspending the battery. That's it for this build. Thanks for watching.